Hey, my friends, welcome, welcome. I'm Pam, the ginger cat lady. Harley, the ginger cat, sleeping. Fingers crossed he won't bombard us too much during this video. Anyway, today we are going to make another pocket for my idea book session. So for this project, we will be making a pocket that looks like this. You're going to need some scissors, glue, a dauber, ink, and some book page. Alrighty, let's get started. I want it to be a little bit shorter and I want the top of it to be reinforced. So I'm going to fold this up just a little bit. Okay. And I know I said top, but I'm folding it here at the bottom because now I'm going to turn it around here. So up at the top, I folded my paper down just a little. I'm going to fold this over to about half, or a little past half. Okay. And I'm going to turn it again. And I'm going to fold it so that overlaps just a little bit. I'm just overlapping this one over. We want to make it go so that the other one overlaps like right about there. Okay. So I'm just going to take this edge and overlap it right about there. I'm going to open this back up. I'm going to grab my circle punch. Okay. I'm going to find the middle of this and I'm going to punch a little circle out of the middle of this. Okay. Just a little circle out of the middle. While I've got this like this, I'm going to take my ink and ink it up before I glue anything together. So I want to get this top part inked up before I close it up, just because I wanted to be able to get down in that little part there. The rest of it we can ink what we get once we get it back together. So we're going to flip it back over. I'm going to put this one down and I'm going to run glue along the edge of this one. Okay, right at the very edge. And again, this is how we had it. I'm just turning it sideways because it's easier for me to get the glue on there when it's turned sideways. Okay, so I'm just putting glue along that one edge there. Okay, so there's glue there. And this side, I'm going to put the glue on this side. Okay, I'm also going to stick a little bit of glue under here and squish it down. And a little bit under here, squish it down, and then under there, just so that that kind of stays where it's supposed to be. All right, so I have glue along this edge and glue along this edge. I'm going to glue that down. So essentially what I've made now is a tube. I don't like this part right here at all. I'm just going to cut that part off because there's too much white there. That's far too much white for me. Or not white, but blank. Putting glue back down here. So now you got a pocket. Just like that. I'm going to ink around my edges. So I'm going to make this just a little bit lighter. And I'm going to washi tape this down because I'm not going to see the back of this. This is going to get glued down in a pocket. So I'm just going to washi tape that down. And same thing over here, making sure that I've got it straight. We're going to glue that down there, or tape that down there. All right, we're going to put some glue on here. And stick that on here. I'm going to get out my stickles. I'm going to put some stickles right here in the middle. So I'm just going to glop some stickles in there. So we're glopping some stickles here. And then I'm just going to take the tip and just move it around. Okay. I'm just glopping my stickles and moving it. I'm not doing a blob there. And moving it around. All right. And now I've got a stickly center. Thanks for watching. Loves y'all. Bye.